Hey guys, I'm Calero here with Homeless Penthouse, and today I have a beginner's guide to Adobe Photoshop for you guys. I don't really like that either. What the fuck? Okay, this is the official take. Hi guys, I'm Calero here with Homeless Penthouse to bring you guys a beginner's guide to Adobe Photoshop, and basically just together we're gonna go over a few tricks and tips for you guys. If you don't know how to work Photoshop, the software itself, if you're not familiar with it, it's okay. Today here you don't need any design experience or photo editing experience beforehand because I will be working with default settings. So basically how Adobe itself comes, and hopefully you guys can learn some things here today. This is a simple tutorial. Like, this is watered down as I can get for you guys to just basically help you guys get a better understanding of Photoshop itself. And yeah, I'm going to be creating a basic blanket design, so if you guys want to see how we do this over here in the penthouse, stay tuned.